Want to grab your visitors' attention with important alerts or announcement on your WordPress site? In this video, we are exploring the message box block from Blocks, perfect for creating customizable alert, info, or success message with icon, description, and a close button. Whether you are highlighting updates, warning, or special offers, I'll guide you through setting it up. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site, and make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the message box block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for message box. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of message box block from Blocks. From the Content tab, you can add a title to the message box. Then by enabling the description toggle, you can add a description to the message box. Then from the main icon toggle, you can add an icon to the message box. On the icon position, you can set the icon position before or after the message. Then from the select main icon section, you can add an icon. You can add font awesome icon or dash icons. Then by enabling the close icon toggle, you can add a close button to the message box. That will allow you to close the message box by clicking on the close button. Then from the select close icon section, you can add an icon for the close button. Then from the button tab, you can add a button to the message box by enabling the show button toggle. From the style, you can select a predefined style. From the button text, you can change the text of the button. From button link, you can add a link to the button. For style too, you can add an icon to the button. Let's disable it for now. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this message box block. You can use these options to create unique message boxes like a warning box, update, special offer like we have created over here. You are not limited to these styles. You can create whatever style you want for your message box. From the title tab, you can adjust the title typography, or you can use global typography as well. Then you can adjust the text color, text background, box shadow for normal and hover states. You can adjust the padding, margin. If you have enabled the description tab, then we'll see this description option. From here, you can adjust the description typography, text color, background, border radius for normal and hover states. You can adjust the padding, margin. Similarly, if you have enabled the main icon toggle, then we'll see this main icon option. From here, you can adjust icon size, icon weight. You can add an arrow beside the icon. You can adjust the icon color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. If you have enabled the close button toggle, then we'll see this close icon tab. From here, you can adjust the close button icon size, icon weight. You can adjust the icon color, background color, border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. You can adjust the margin. If you have enabled this button toggle, then we'll see button related styling options. From here, you can adjust the button typography. You can adjust the color for normal and hover states. You can adjust the button above and bottom spacing. You can adjust padding. You can adjust border radius, background, box shadow for normal and hover states. From the background options, you can adjust the background style of this block. This is where you can use different backgrounds to create unique looking message boxes like notification, update, etc. You can adjust the padding. You can adjust background. You can add background color, gradient color, or you can add a background image. You can adjust border radius, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then in the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which I have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the message box block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.